Come on, we know you can do it.
Wow.
Nice.
Let's make this interesting.
Yeah, they're starting to chew a little bit. That's 40. That's poking crap there.
I got the 100.
Yeah.
Nothing like 100.
Did you read on the label? Don't get it on your skin.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, don't put the 100 on your skin.
Yeah, you're not.
I don't even know if you're supposed to put that 40 on your skin. Right.
Pretty close to 40. They say 30.
Woo!
Years ago, they didn't have that.
Last ball I had bought almost a year ago. But it's already stabilized, sealed in the jar. That's why I get it. Oh, okay. If I get it and don't need it, it's just sitting around for a year or two.
Yeah, that'd be your battery right there. Yep. Like that.
I really like that thing though.
Pretty slick.
Hey, there was a limb that was.
Hey, that'll be alright. When he lights it, take
I
your
got it
hat
off of that limb.
Secondary glare.
It broke. You broke it?
No, when it has it down, I move it over. Then you're up for
It
grabs.
makes your fatigue go.
Well, actually, the student tech design.
Proper.
Nope, not proper or not.
See, I bought mine, those Tiger Stripes like he has. I got the Croppers, and those are very comfortable. And I've got the thick True Spec, that's the Coyote Brown that I use for work. And those things are, I've washed them so many times, they're still.
Max,
They
what's
don't
your
make
first
any
name?
ripstop.
Huh?
What's your first name?
Greg.
Greg.
Gregory.
Hey, there's somebody named Prime One, or did you register at one time and have it re-registered?
No. Not that I'm aware of.
Didn't we have Prime One or Primer One or? Well, no, but it's P-R-I-E-M.
P-R-I-A-M.
But then we have a P-R-I-M-E.
But I don't pay attention because I don't have for it anyway.
Maybe it was Optimus Prime or whatever that transformer is.
You don't answer his emails very good either.
Who? Who does me?
Toa.
That's mine.
You don't answer mine.
It's a personal thing.
PM.
You can answer his phone sometimes.
Yep, I call him.
They're working on a patient.
I'll call him
Talk to
several
him.
times and he'd say,
Did you send him
I gotta go. The nurses, one day he said, the nurses are asking me, I gotta get back from surgery.
That's what Steve's business.
Usually
We were planning on this, you know. I talked to him several times.
Wish I had $65,000, I'd buy that 51 acres in Tennessee for. Only time you see me is
51 acres for how much?
I wouldn't leave that
How
property.
much for 51 acres?
51 and a half acres, several prime. Approach to it is very defendable. You could, one person with a rifle that hits you in that little valley can hold anybody off and get inside there.
What do you think of the little camp out?
This?
Yeah,
Just a little one?
that's it.
It's very lightweight.
Good
Yeah.
flexibility.
It's like
You wouldn't
ultra
take
light.
that back there. I mean, it's not, everything is a destination. It's not
That's a nice size. What is that?
That's called a
24
camp axe or a
but it
kids
has,
axe. It's a 2 and a
there's
half
a
pound.
PVC pipe that goes up
Most of them are 3 of them.
from one of the artesian springs and it gravity
I like
feeds
it.
to the cabin.
That'd be nice.
I take that
I
camping.
know.
You
Very
know,
powerful.
it's not as big as a
If you can
regular
get
axe.
you one of those,
You can do anything with it. You're going to use camping.
what do you call it? Hot water heaters. Tankless hot water heaters.
Tankless hot water heater.
You wouldn't even need electricity to have hot water. Electricity goes out, you're still good.
That sounds like a good deal.
That's
only like-
my house with a DC.
That's only like $1,200 an acre, isn't it?
55,000, 51.5 with a house included.
How far out in the middle of nowhere is it?
Middle of nowhere. It's out outside of. It's not too far. It's about 30 minutes from Clinton Tennessee, which is on the Tennessee.
Yeah, I'd like to have that place.
Put your bed in.
Is it got, good access road?
It's a paved road.
Paved
Oh,
road?
Not up to the thing, but it's a
Yeah.
paved road in frontage. It's not on a dirt road. Looked
How
at
much
it good. I
frontage
didn't
is
go up
it
there
got?
and see it.
How much
And tried to
frontage
talk
is
these
it?
guys into getting it, and that are looking for retreat property. I said, look, perfect.
How much
And
they looking
said
for?
the water quality and the water quantity is enough that you could actually sell the water off there. Now, if you can get a contract for Crystal Water or somebody like that, come in and pay you $30,000 a year. You can't take the water, $30,000 a year to do get their bottled water from you. And Crystal, I think it's Crystal Springs does. They're Tennessee based. If you can get them to do that, then you're set. And I think the taxes on the property taxes are $100 less year. Yes, sir. It's got electricity.
You got a septic tank.
Yeah.
You're all right. You better jump
The
in.
cabin light has a T111 on it. It's not anything fancy, and you know, it can be painted, but T111 will last for 30 years long as anything.
Then.
These people wanted to
Okay.
put me
Okay.
somewhere to handle their retreat. They have their livestock, their garden set up there, set up for all their food preservation and all that. And so they want something that already has a place. Now they're looking in Texas. But
That sounds really like what the bushcraft advice for a summer retreat.
not bad if everybody had a job they could pay for it.
Get that out of your notion. The Illinois
Well,
Traffic
actually-
Association's been trying to buy a piece of property
Got
like
that?
We got over 700.
Yep. Yeah, this is perfect.
The liability
Wanna throw some?
alone,
Come on, man.
$1,000.
It's easy. The line is there. You just
If
Well,
we
that's
had little
Tennessee,
tiny
man.
ponds,
bring it up.
It's in Illinois, man.
I know, but what I'm saying is that liability insurance will kill you.
You just put in the LLC's name.
Just yank it.
Actually, though, there are some communities in the
Don't put
country
all your
now that
power
do
in it, just
something similar to
Yeah.
that.
Yank it. Just let it fly.
Cropland communities where
Just
people with
balance
the
it
same
and from the
mindset.
balance. Bring it up here.
Plantation communities.
And just
MAG,
the tip, the tip.
mutual aid
Just
group.
let it fly like that. Step on the thing.
Yeah.
Let it fly. Yeah.
We'd start.
It's Floyd, 700 barrels a day. They've got it now, finally choked down to 400 barrels a day. This has been going on for 6 or 7 years.
That's why this is the.
He now owns the White County Ford dealership.
So you don't have a.
Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, Dodge, Chrysler,
Yeah.
and
Balance it here.
Dodge truck
Leave it down.
and Jeep.
You just let
He
it
still farms. You look at him and you wouldn't think he had pockets full of or when to throw it out.
let it fly.
Yeah.
I really do.